What's up YouTube? Today we are talking about motion blur in Final Cut 10 Pro. Let's go. So, motion blur lets you basically smooth out your motion areas and create a cinematic smooth look for your footage. Unfortunately, motion blur comes not with Final Cut Pro, so I have linked you my motion blur package for free in the description. Simply download it, put it in your motion templates, titles folder, restart Final Cut Pro, and afterwards, Jesus Christ. Restart Final Cut Pro, and afterwards you are going to find it in your titles inspector. It contains 3 different options of motion blur: a small motion blur, a medium, and a strong motion blur. I got a timeline over here which contains a lot of speed ramping and fast forwarding movements, which is perfect for motion blur. Those shots I recently made with this baby right here, my DJI Mavic Pro 2. With a shitload of speed ramping and music and stuff. The footage looks pretty cool already, but it's kind of, you know, stucking and stuff like that. Take a look for yourself. So here's what we're going to do. For every speed ramp transition, we are going to use one of those motion blur effects over here. Yeah? So just overlay them on top, crop them to the right size. So just drag and drop them over your footage. If you got speed ramp transitions, make sure those motion blur titles overlap the transition. Do this for every transition and every speed up you made, and go from a pretty good shot to a really amazing style. So that's it for today. If you liked the video, click the like button, hit the subscribe button, tell me in the comments what you want to see next, and see you in the next one.